Welcome back to another week of Stocks in Review for the upcoming week. We received good news from the Federal Reserve. Janet Yellen indicated a more dovish tone, with some of the other Federal Reserve governors agreeing. This hopefully will lead to a slower progression of interest rate hikes. Two pieces of drama from Washington came out this week. First, we had info about an undisclosed meeting between the president's son and a lawyer from Russia, which took place in the final months of the campaign. It actually caused a big drop in the market for a short period. We'll have to see what comes of that. And it was announced this week that before the end of next week, there will be a vote on the replacement healthcare legislation. So expect a muted market in the day or two before the vote. It was a bad week for cryptocurrencies. If you've been watching, it's safe to say that the top three have pulled back enough to confirm that a correction has taken place, and as it continues, even a cryptocurrency bubble burst. Most experts believe they will continue to drop at least into the next week or so. So don't rush to average down quite yet. A drop on Bitcoin to under the $2,000 mark could be on the horizon. The reasons for the drop could be as simple as profit-taking from early investors to emotional novices investing and dumping quickly when the volatility started to feel excessively painful. I personally won't be putting any more money into my Bitcoin wallet until we break the $2,000 level. On watch this week, I have Aurinia and Synergy Pharmaceuticals along with HTG Molecular and Tenex Therapeutics. After a very positive late-week commentary on the incredible successes of voclosporin in early drug trials and the substantial increases noted with institutional buying, I believe Aurinia stock will encroach the $7 mark sooner than later. A lot of manipulation is going on at Synergy Pharmaceuticals. The stock has been gradually rising and closing prices have been above its 20-day moving average. With all of this consolidation and good prescription numbers for even the shortened holiday week, I really believe this one will be over $5 very soon, and over $9 by the middle to the end of the fourth quarter. You also might want to watch how the IBB Index Fund, the ETF, moves because nearly 3.3 million shares of Synergy make up the portfolio at that ETF. HTG Molecular Diagnostics' current share price is 75% lower than it was on March 24th, when it hit a high of $9.65. There have been some sporadic spikes since then, and I featured it back in early April before its last highest spike to $7.24 a share. There's some changes in the charts that leads me to believe that a reversal is setting up for the coming week. They have a lot of great products in their pipeline. I just wish the gains would hold. That's why I'm not long on this stock. You should also know that H.C. Wainwright reiterated this to a buy just about 2 weeks ago. With all of this taken into consideration, I'm confident that we'll get a pop this coming week. Tenex Therapeutics has been a real tease lately. We've had some really nice pops early in the week, and then volume dried up by Friday, but any time now we should get a response from the FDA. It could be as early as this coming week, but no later than August. At 3 o'clock today, we got word that SoftBank Group, the controlling shareholder of Sprint, held talks with Warren Buffett and John Malone. If you didn't know, Buffett has a large position in Charter Communications, so a merger isn't that far-fetched. I'd watch close Monday morning. The first stock that I'm looking at for the coming week is AK Steel Holding Corporation, ticker symbol AKS. This Ohio company produces flat-rolled carbon, stainless steel, and electric steels, among other products, both domestically and abroad. On July 3rd, AKS purchased Precision Partners for $360 million in cash. This will allow the company to expand their presence into the high-strength steel markets as well as into high-growth auto markets. AKS will be able to capitalize on the experienced management team at Precision for more innovation and opportunities. We've had some recent talk from the president about steel tariffs, and an announcement is scheduled for this coming Monday. I expect a bump in the stock to follow. Please note, earnings will be released on July 25th. I would not recommend holding through unless you're long on this company. I conclude with XG Technology, ticker symbol XGTI. This 15-year-old Sarasota, Florida technology firm designs and develops advanced wireless communication solutions worldwide. They have a wide variety of products from microwave radio components to mobile voice-over internet protocol systems. Record second quarter preliminary revenue results were announced yesterday, causing shares to close over 20% higher. This will be the second consecutive record-breaking quarter for the company. Roth Capital reiterated a buy rating on Friday as well. This could easily pop another 75 cents or more early in the week. Please note that investing in the stock market carries risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose or not have access to for an extended period of time. If you like what we're doing here, please click subscribe. Let your friends know about us and like our videos. It really does mean a lot. Have a great week.